In the vast tapestry of human ingenuity, where innovation meets aspiration, a pioneering endeavor unfolds, one that dares to merge the realms of robotics and craftsmanship in the pursuit of architectural excellence. Our journey begins at the University of Tennessee's fabrication laboratory known as the Fab Lab, and under the supervision of the roboticist genius Marshall Prado, the team sought to understand how the precision of robotic fabrication intertwines with the artistry of human hands, forging a new frontier in architectural design. As the structure takes form, it becomes more than mere architecture. It is a testament to the boundless potential of human creativity and technological innovation. Here, in the Fab Lab, a theater of creation, the lines between man and machine blur, giving rise to a new paradigm of possibility. By using an automated feeder system, the process was completely automated minus the anticipated and coordinated human interactions. However, the ingenuity of our journey unfolds not upon the solid ground beneath our feet, but in the airy realm above. Here, amidst the currents of the atmosphere, a bold vision takes flight. With coordinated movement, the robotic artisan weaves its magic in the air, and by coding the robot to halt, the robot was used to hold the wooden blocks in place until the truss members were able to be affixed using a cordless nail gun. As the two counterparts of the bridge are connected, we behold this aerial masterpiece. However, let us not only marvel at its beauty, but also celebrate the spirit of exploration and innovation that brought it into being.